Hi, I'm Yushen Ng with Cohesity Product Management.
And I'm Mayank Vasa on the product management team at Cohesity as well. Today, we are excited to talk to you about the multi cluster management capabilities in Cohesity Helios, which is a SaaS based solution for secondary data and applications management. A common dialogue that we have with our prospects is around the multitude of solutions that they have collected in their data centers for managing multiple different types of secondary data, such as backup and archive, test and dev, file and object, and analytics, all secondary data related applications. With all these different storage solutions, what they end up doing is having a fragmented solution with multiple different storage silos in their data center, leading to inefficiencies both in terms of the number of copies that they have created of the same data, as well as inefficiency in terms of storage resource management. And lastly, with all these different storage silos, there is a lot of untapped data sitting dormant. So, with Cohesity's data platform, our customers have started benefiting by consolidating all these secondary data applications onto one platform. With Helios, we take it to the next level by enabling IT admins to manage their global secondary data and applications from one place. So today we are going to specifically focus on the multi-cluster management capabilities within Cohesity Helios.
With multi-cluster management, Helios enables IT to achieve greater and better operational efficiency, automation, and compliance. With respect to operational efficiency, Helios brings a global dashboard that enables an admin to start his day with a simple, at-a-glance view of all the issues and all the key metrics that he may care about in his environment. And it's not just read-only. One can then drill down and take action on any cluster, on any particular issue from that dashboard. Helios also brings, in terms of efficiency, a global search capability, where now it's possible to find any server, any VM, basically anything in Cohesity with just a few keystrokes and mouse clicks. And again, from those search results, it's not just read-only, but one can take action and directly act on any event in any cluster.
So in addition to operational efficiency that Yushin just talked about, Helios focuses a great deal on automation to make the lives of IT admins easier. Building on the API first approach of Cohesity Data Platform, Helios now provides multi-cluster level REST APIs so that IT admins can automate the active management of multiple clusters using REST APIs available in Helios. Additionally, they can use the same REST APIs to pull down specific data points that they may need for customized reporting. Another example of automation is around the upgrade experience. Upgrading a single Cohesity cluster is actually a very easy task, and also it's a non-disruptible task. Building on that, Cohesity Helios now enables IT admins to schedule multiple cluster upgrades in their local time zones from one place in Helios. So with this kind of a capability, Helios again makes it easier for admins to just schedule, and then Helios takes care of the rest and lets the admin know when the upgrades are completed.
Now, compliance. IT cares a great deal about compliance, whether for the occasional audit or for the day-to-day assurance that service level targets are being met. With global policies, Helios brings together and enables centrally managed, globally consistent service level targets for one's data protection needs, and makes it easy to have visibility into non-compliance issues. Helios's reporting also helps with compliance. In terms of reporting, Helios brings comprehensive, global, flexible, and customizable reporting against service level targets that can be used operationally for one's admins, but also for the senior executives as well. We hope you've seen how Helios brings together and adds value in terms of operational efficiency, automation, and compliance for one's environment.